Guys, Dogecoin is breaking out to the moon. Why is Dogecoin going up? What is going on with Dogecoin? What is the latest, greatest news with Dogecoin? In today's video, we will be discussing all of those points, everything Dogecoin, and we are going to be breaking down Dogecoin on a technical chart because these technical charts basically predict the future. They tell us what is next for Dogecoin. So stay tuned. Guys, today was crazy. The markets were crazy, up and down, a lot of red today, but cryptocurrencies are continuing to pump to all-time highs, and I believe Dogecoin is along for the ride to 10 cents. We need to break this psychological level of 10 cents, and I believe it is going to happen soon. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Myles, and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. I have a lot of failures, but I have a lot of successes that I want to share with you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because you do not want to miss out on a single video that I put out covering stocks or cryptocurrencies, because in my videos I call out big plays before they happen, and in my VIP Patreon we are up big this week alone. So make sure you join the free Discord and check out the Patreon, which gives you the VIP benefits of my trade alerts for stocks, for cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to be doing options. It's only $5 a month, so make sure you don't miss out. I'm also not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All right, guys, I'm sure you have been hearing about this Dogecoin whale that owns a huge percentage of Dogecoin, and a lot of people are saying it is somebody on Robinhood. A lot of people are also saying that it's Elon Musk, but Elon Musk is denying this. Tell me in the comments below, who do you think this Dogecoin whale is that owns a huge percentage? I believe it's 32% of all of Dogecoin. Tell me in the comments below, who do you think this is? And have you guys even heard about this piece of news? And if you guys haven't heard about this piece of news, look, we see this article. It says Dogecoin has a top dog worth $2.1 billion. It says a single digital address appears to have accumulated holdings in Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that was started as a joke. That is crazy. Somebody has $2.1 billion. So it is showing that someone who has all of this money firmly believes in Dogecoin. Who could that be? Elon Musk is denying it. That's what they're saying, that Elon Musk is denying it. However, I think it's possibly true. Who knows? They're also saying that Robinhood, just Robinhood itself, owns it as an asset. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any further information on it, or come into the Discord and chat about it so we can have a better understanding. But if we look at the price movement, just the last several days, Dogecoin was on the way to the dumps, but it picked back up. We found support at nearly 5 cents. But let's see how big of a correction we have seen from the all-time high of nearly 9 cents all the way down here. That is nearly 50%, 45% in the red. There was a 45% correction. But with stocks, you know, that is a huge correction. But with cryptocurrencies, especially with altcoins have the power to move up and down very quickly. Just like we saw Dogecoin at 1 penny to 8 cents in just basically hours. So we've seen a massive correction, and a lot of people were thinking Dogecoin is over with. Dogecoin is done. I'm done with Dogecoin. But this is not the case. Dogecoin continues to hold up key levels of support, and that we are seeing a strong level of support at 5 cents. So if we see us come back down to nearly 5 cents, we could be pretty sure that we might hold our level of support at 5 cents. So if you were able to purchase in at 5 cents, 5.5 cents, and 6 cents, I feel that you have purchased in a good level. That is my opinion. I feel that that is a decent level. I bought in at a penny, a little bit more than a penny, but if you even bought in at 5 to 6 cents, I believe that is still a good purchase price, because in the long run, Dogecoin could possibly hit a couple of dollars per coin. But the interesting thing to note is that Dogecoin, there is no fundamental reason why Dogecoin is going up. And Dogecoin is much greater than the price movement of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is much greater than the fundamental analysis and technical analysis of Dogecoin. There's no reason for Dogecoin to be going up. But Dogecoin is something different. Dogecoin is the movement that has generated from Wall Street bets. Dogecoin is the movement of the people, which Elon Musk is supporting. That's why Elon Musk is supporting this whole issue, is to stick it to the big man who always wins, the house that always wins. But this is our chance. This is our turn as Dogecoin holders. So we're going to go ahead and break Dogecoin down on a technical level. And with technical analysis can really give us an indication of what is possibly next for a particular stock or cryptocurrency. Now, technical analysis is not 100% accurate, but I would say that is pretty close. It can be pretty close most of the time. All right, so if we look at basically our all-time highs into the low of just the last couple of days, we see a 45% correction. But if we take a look at our low from just a couple of days ago to today's high, we broke about 35%, a 35% reversal. And that is a great sign. And a lot of this reversal had to do with Dogecoin being on Fox News, Dogecoin being talked about because of the Wall Street bets, whole court case that is occurring today. So that is pretty big, and that is pumping up Dogecoin. It's giving Dogecoin more exposure. But we are going to be seeing Dogecoin being released possibly on Coinbase and other exchanges, and that is going to bring a lot more market cap, a lot more people to be able to purchase and buy Dogecoin, which will effectually bring up the price of Dogecoin to greater heights. I personally think Dogecoin is a great investment even at this level, and if it's a long-term hold, I certainly believe it's a great entry point. If you are looking to just day trade Dogecoin, you're very short-minded on this thing, yeah, you can make some money, but I totally recommend not doing that, and I totally recommend just holding it and seeing where it goes. Putting 500, putting $1,000, something you can afford to lose, and letting it sit for a year at least. See what happens, maybe 3, 4, 5 years down the road, what a $500 investment could do. Look at what a $500 investment could have done 5 to 7 years ago, millions of dollars potentially. The same thing could happen here. We don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows. But what could happen to Dogecoin in the future? But if we break down the price, we're taking our levels of support. We've seen a couple of touches here at this basically 4.5 cents. This 4.5 cent level, we bounced off of it. It's basically 5 cents. We're bouncing off of it. We bounced off of it twice, but we came up in reverse, and we're breaking out. We're breaking out in this key level of this triangle, this descending triangle. We were in a downtrend. We were descending. So we were going to continue on the downtrend until we broke out to the downside, which we could break out further to the downside, or we were waiting to break out to the upside. And that's what we are seeing now. So if we can close another 4-hourly candle right here, we are going to be changing our trend to an upwards trend. And that is great news. That is going to be great news. So we need to watch within the next couple of hours, next 4 to 8 hours, to see if we can confirm our breakout to the upside. And if we do, we are going to continue on another uptrend, just like we saw here. So basically, what we are in now, we were in a retracement. We went up, but now we're just retracing, but we are continuing. What we're seeing is we're continuing our uptrend. So we are still in an uptrend, even though we had a small retracement, because historically this has not been a long time. But what we are in 100% is we are in an uptrend. So I believe that within the next couple of days, it is potentially possible that we could see 7 to 8 cents, especially with some news. And we're going to have to come and test some key levels of resistance. We're going to have to come and test the all-time high at 8.5 cents. We're going to have to test these levels. But first, we have some other levels of support to get to. We got to break the 6.5 cent that we already tested earlier. And then we're going to have to test 7 cents. And then we're going to have to test 8 cents and then 8.5 cents. And then these are going to be our key levels of resistance, which at that point could become our next level of support. So if we were to go up out of this, we'll come back down and test and possibly hold that level of support. So again, my price prediction for Dogecoin is that possibly by the weekend we could see 7 to 8 cents. And this could be certainly possible with what is going on with the news, what is going on with Wall Street bets, what is going on with all of this hype getting pumped back into Dogecoin, and Dogecoin continues to hold strong. So if you guys like today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to help support the channel, and join the free Discord below. Make sure you guys check out my Patreon. It's only $5 where you get my personal support and my stock alerts and all of that jazz. So I will see you guys tomorrow.